2026 Ford Capri V8 is here, and it's not just a revival, it's a statement. From the moment you set eyes on it, the Capri commands attention. Its midnight silver finish is sleek and aggressive, reflecting the studio lights like a polished blade. The front fascia is bold and modern, with a wide blacked-out mesh grille, piercing quad-LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that channels airflow and attitude in equal measure. Ford has clearly leaned into its muscle car roots here, blending retro-inspired cues with futuristic design. This isn't a watered-down SUV or an EV crossover in disguise, it's a genuine, low-slung performance coupe with presence. As we walk around to the back, the design continues to impress. Sharp rear profile with a full-width LED taillight, bar, dual exhaust outlets, and a subtle lip spoiler gives the Capri V8 a grounded and muscular stance. Every angle screams power and poise. You can tell this car was designed to be seen as much as it was engineered to be driven. The midnight silver paint only enhances its profile under showroom lighting. It's elegant and menacing at once. Slide into the interior and the atmosphere changes. It's all business inside the cockpit, but with high-end materials and a modern layout. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels firm and responsive in your hands. With paddle shifters hinting at the performance this V8 can deliver. A fully digital gauge cluster blends seamlessly into the center touchscreen, angled just enough toward the driver to feel personal. The seats are deeply bolstered, finished in leather with red contrast stitching, and the ambient lighting adds an unexpectedly refined glow to the cabin. Carbon fiber accents and metallic details give it that motorsport DNA you'd expect from a serious performance machine. Under the hood, we're talking about a reworked 5.0-liter V8 pushing out a rumored 480 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed, manual or optional dual-clutch automatic. Ford hasn't officially dropped the numbers yet, but early testing suggests a 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. The exhaust note, deep, throaty, and unapologetically old-school, no synthetic hums. Here, just real V8 rumble. It's the kind of sound that sends chills down your spine when you blip the throttle. From the driver's seat, the experience is visceral. The Capri grips hard in the corners with a perfectly tuned suspension that balances comfort with track level sharpness. Whether you're on a mountain road or pushing it on a closed circuit, the chassis remains composed and communicative. Ford has worked magic. Here, this isn't just a retro badge slapped on a fast car. It's a driving experience rooted in heritage, but built for the future. And perhaps most impressive is the Capri's ability to stand apart in an era dominated by conformity. While so many performance cars are blending into a blur of crossover, silhouettes and electric anonymity, the Capri V8 doubles down on personality. It's raw, emotional, and defiantly analog, designed for drivers, not just algorithms. This isn't Ford following the trend. This is Ford reminding everyone what it means to lead it.